What's going on YouTube? We got another video today. So we actually got a new car on the channel for the first time ever. That's gonna be my cousin's car. We have to do his first mod today too, from the title and thumbnail of the video. Let me go ahead and show you the car. So today we're actually gonna be doing the same install that we did on my car last video, which was the ambient lighting on the car. So I'm not gonna show y'all the product, it's literally the same exact thing, but you guys see it on his car, right? So let's go ahead, I'm gonna flip the camera and let's get started. I think this time, yeah, I'm probably gonna do the same thing. Install lighting, run the wiring, and then take all the wiring. So let's go ahead and do that. And then hopefully y'all actually do enjoy this car. Hopefully there's many more videos to come of this car, because this is still a relatively new car, so when parts come out, we're actually gonna get it. So I'll catch y'all when we put the lights on. All right, so currently in the car right now. Looks like I'm chilling, but I'm not. I currently have one of the dash wires, and we're testing it out to see which way it has to go. And I'll flip the camera and show you right now, but with the screen, it gets in the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Honestly, where I didn't mind, there's no screen. But for him, he tucked the wire all the way back there, so it looks as OEM as possible. And I'll tuck the rest of this later. But so his connection, his animation is gonna start from here, goes into there, and then back. And then obviously you won't be able to see it. But currently doing it on the other side right now. I'm gonna look up how to do it on his door. I think we're gonna put it under that silver trim. So same thing with the back right there. We're gonna see how it looks. Excuse the lot, so that's one of his wife's or something like that. I'm not sure. But we're gonna do that, and then I'll get back to y'all when we at least do one of the doors so you can see how we did it. Little update. Got the front door off. We're gonna test those first before we take off the rear doors. Honestly, this one was a lot harder than the STIs, but still got it done. So it looks weird with all the plastic. I'm so used to the little plastic, little thin paper. But got those off and see if we can install the LEDs up there. All right, so I got a little update for y'all. I was gonna record it, but I'm gonna be honest, his car is way worse than doing it for mine, because newer cars have tighter fitment and everything. Let me go ahead and show you. And right now we are working on the backs, but let me show you the fronts. All right, so here's the front door. Other front door right there. And we tested it, they both work and everything. So now we're working on the rear. All right, another update for y'all. I'm not gonna lie, this is taking quite a long time, bro. I got 3 hands on deck. We got this rear door on. Finally, the last door, and then wiring, and then tucking. So, bro, honestly, we're tired, bro. But honestly, yeah, we're tired. We're trying to get this done. We got burgers waiting for us, you know what I mean? All right, so the boys made an executive decision. God damn, I can't talk. But they said they're gonna go ahead and do the other rear door while I go ahead and do the wiring, which is kind of a smart move. So, I don't know. The boys working on it right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the wiring. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet and how I'm gonna tuck it, but gotta get it all separated. And then, shoot, I wish I could time lapse some stuff for y'all, but honestly, this is taking forever. So you just gotta get it done. So sorry about that, but let's go ahead and let's wrap this up, bro. I'm tired. I got a burger waiting for me and the 2 boys. All right, so y'all, it's actually like mad dark outside, but I just wanted to show y'all the actual finished product itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how we did the wiring, and then I'll see y'all will see the final review with it. So let's go ahead and show y'all everything. All right, so just like mine, the actual main box itself is behind the glove box. This light goes this way, and all the other door ones, including back here, a little dark view for y'all right here, but these all go this way. He's on, he has it set to audio right now, so it's whatever. But with that, main box that way. These 2, well, this one is easy. This just plugs in right there. These 2, this one goes down right here, thanks to that. And then these two back door ones, they go from on this side of the passenger seat, goes behind, and then they split off and hides under that area, and then splits off to here, and then splits off that way. And then, my bad about the glare. Honestly, there's nothing I can really do about it. It's too dark outside, but I'll show y'all the other side of the car. Like I said, from that box, it goes up in between the dash. You cannot see at all. So it's off here, and then that side goes right there. This door goes that way, and I already told you about this door. So overall, I would say it's not a hard experience. It's more so if you have the time for it, and also having a lot of people does help. I'm not gonna lie to you. And also doing it during there's not mosquito season also helps, because we out here getting bit up for no reason. So, but if y'all like the video, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, and everything. I don't know if y'all can tell with the camera quality, but I actually got a new phone, so hopefully it looks a lot better for y'all. I got the 16 Pro Max. And yeah, if y'all like the video, like I said, go down. We're so close to 500. As of when I'm filming this video, we're at 499. So I'm so close to y'all. I appreciate all y'all, and I hope y'all have a great one.